What is going on? This is the first legitimate video of the channel. I mean, I've had other videos on the channel, but this video I want it to be an introduction video to what this channel is going to be about. So originally, I don't really have a direction with where I wanted this channel to go, but I'm starting to realize that I really want to document the journey because I'm not exactly where I want to be just yet. And that is a perfect opportunity because, like with fitness, I wish I started posting when I first started lifting, like my first 3 months in, right? And so, because of my journey, maybe by documenting it, you guys will be able to follow along and even improve on your own journey. So, you might be wondering, what journey am I embarking on? Well, I used to do fitness content on my other channel, Max Does Fitness, but now I want to do philosophy and self improvement content because I've embarked on a new journey of self improvement, of reading, of reflecting on my thoughts, of still working out and like still doing fitness stuff, of course. But I also want to share the journey. I want to share my insights, my thoughts. I want to share any kind of breakthroughs. I want to share business tips. I want to share mind hacks on, helping you with your happiness levels, eliminating anxiety, killing procrastination, things like that. And also still documenting my fitness journey on here because that's still part of self improvement. And right now I'm at a position in life where I don't exactly have much. Like we're in an apartment right now. As you can clearly see, we literally have a couch over here in the back, which is absolutely wild, by the way. So we're kind of starting from ground zero here. And I'm excited to document this whole thing because let's say in 5 years we're living in a nice home and have all this stuff. Imagine being able to have a blueprint on YouTube that'll show people exactly how I got there. And it'll serve as like a little motivational, idea for helping other people achieve the same. Currently, we're eating sushi, and I'm a little bit under the weather because I caught a bug, a disease from Home Depot. So, Home Depot workers, they are definitely under the weather. We'll just say that. But yeah, the sushi's gonna help out with the cold. And yeah, I'll be also posting like a lot of nutritional content too for those that want to like learn how to put on muscle and lose the fat. I'll also be giving you guys book recommendations. Currently, I am reading The Personal MBA, which is a book on kind of teaches you about business and how to run one. Not really how to run one, but like the terms and like how it's structured. But the coolest thing is I want to be sharing a chunk of the knowledge that I read from each book in my videos because I'm extremely passionate with book reading. And my goal for the year is to literally smash 40 books in a single year. And so I want to be sharing some of that knowledge on here, guys. Now, obviously, I can't share all of the book's knowledge in just a couple of these videos, but I will be sharing the main points, which is why it's going to be extremely helpful for you to watch these videos because you can learn something if you're not like me and if you don't want to sit around for hours in a day reading some book because books aren't for everyone, although I do heavily recommend them. So yeah, this is kind of like a no filter introductory channel video to kind of set the scene for what is to come. Uh, my editing will improve over time, but I genuinely want to get in the habit of posting first. So they're probably going to be like this, like sit down talk videos. Maybe I'll get a whiteboard. Maybe I'll get some LED lights. We can kind of make the room cool. But right now, we're starting with a blank canvas, white walls. Nothing crazy, guys. But we're going to make it work. So this is the first video of the channel. I'm very excited for everybody that wants to tune in, that wants to learn about philosophy, about business, about how to be in the best shape you can possibly be. Because I truly believe that you are limitless, and I truly believe that you can do absolutely anything in this world if you put your mind to it. If you genuinely have the desire, you will do it. You will. And so I want to leave you off with a quote from my favorite book, the what's the favorite book? The Greatest Salesman in the World. It's like a tiny little white book. It says that failure will not overtake me if my determination to succeed is big enough. So guys, I hope you guys are looking forward to the next video, because I am too, and welcome to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.